Wagwan Generals, welcome back to another video. How y'all doing? Hope y'all doing good today. Today's video, we just got some clips of the hatch, me enjoying the hatch. I just put some clips together of me enjoying the hatch, man. It's really a fun car. It's not on the fast end, it's kind of slow. It's a stock B20, what you expect, but I'm showing y'all how to have fun with a slow car. We gonna gradually get this speed up though, but yeah, this is what this video is about. I've been extremely busy, so I haven't gotten a chance to do what I really want to do yet, but had to put out a video showing y'all that I'm enjoying the car, man. It's so fun. So let's get to it. Let go. Listen, but I don't know my style by now. When we in Mexico, what we do? We drop our gear and stay right there. As me say, I miss it. The car slow but it's sweet. So we're in Mexico now. Guess what we are going to do? But hold on, man. That deal with it, man. Hold on, man. Hold on, man. Alright, watch out now. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on, man. Hold on. Hold on, man. Sound good. Emma said sound good. Hold on. Hold on, watch out better here. Watch out better here. Watch out better here. Watch out better here. You can't pass me. You can't pass me. Why? Why? Oh gosh. That is it. That is it. Yo, listen. Little bit 20, car pull good boy. Yeah man. Yeah man. Take two pull out of the machine. Yeah. Little bit 20. Yeah. And I done crazy about what? Machine sweet. Yes papa. We get some on this here road. Yeah. Second gear you know. Gosh, man. Okay, one more time, Ellie. One more time, Ellie. Let it go. One more. Machine. Gosh. Easy. Machine full sweet, boy. Oh, gosh. Yes, man. Can you imagine when we go supercharge our turbo on the machine, yeah? Oh gosh! Yes, Papa, love it. Love it up, man. Machine feel good. Yeah, man. Oh gosh. Yes, Papa. Hey, but I've come go up down here. You get on bad, you get on bad though. When you hear boy sorry, when you hear boy a ref match though. When you hear ref match though. Alright, hold on now. Hold on, I don't know who that behind me still in about. Listen, I'm not gonna take a chance now. Hold on, make it cool off. Make it cool off a little bit. But I spin and come back up the road, you know.